Hi, I'm Lesley Logan, and today I have a Try This Tuesday for you. So today's Try This Tuesday is actually to help you practice for short spine. So short spine is really just being able to roll like a ball and balance and then do a couple other things. So join me here and you're rolling like a ball shape. Rock back, try to be between your shoulder blades, balancing here for 2 seconds. And notice how my feet and my heels are really close. So try that. Go back, keep your heels and butt really close and get your hips to the sky. Come back up. And again, rock back, hips to the sky. Okay, so when you do short spine, the hardest part is right here when you have to bend your knees in towards your shoulder rest without losing the muscle connection. Okay, so once you can get that, then we're like, okay, you could probably do short spine. The next thing is roll back, but then take your arms down and lift your feet up and try to get them over your eyeballs. Bend your knees and come up. When you bend your knees, you pull in without collapsing, right? Rock back, arms down, legs up. Pull those knees in. Roll up, throw like a ball. Rock back, balance, and those legs up. Pull the knees in and come up. One more. Rock back, legs up. Pull the knees in. Good. If you can do that and actually pull the knees in as far as instead of just letting them fold in, then go ahead. Give short spine a try on your reformer. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I love creating these for you, so keep your questions, your struggles with exercises coming because you're the reason these are created. Thank you.